Hi everybody, welcome back to my channel. And in this studies, this is my first tutorial class. Maybe you may like this. You actually I like to study and enjoy the studies. Okay, let's go to the topic. Today's subject is science, and from the science we go to the chapter known as separation of substances. From the separation of substances, we go to the topic. In the topic, it is sedimentation, decantation, and filtration. In the next session, this is just a tutorial section. From the next session, except Kannada and Hindi, we'll discuss the all other subjects. If anybody wants to know any doubt, if anybody has some questions, they can ask, and anybody has some doubts, they can ask. I'll give you the answer immediately. Okay, then next, what is thing is you have to subscribe, share, and like, so that I can know that you liked my video, my teaching video, or next time I'll improve myself. Okay, so let's go to the topic. I'll just share my screen. Yeah, I share my screen. You can see my screen. So today's topic, today's subject is science, and today's chapter is separation of substances, grade 6 ncert textbook, and today's topic is sedimentation, decantation, and filtration. Okay, the team. Do you know they were the three students: Sandhya, Avinash, Soma. Okay, so they were in the school, and the teacher gave them the experiment to separate the soil and the water. What the teacher gave is to separate the soil and the water. Okay, so do you know how can we separate soil and the water? The teacher told, don't at all use very big methods. There are many methods to separate soil and water. So teacher told you the basic and simple methods. So the people, the students left this container for some time. After that, the water and mud were separated. Those mud particles went down and the water was up. So this process is called sedimentation. Solid heavier solid heavier particles settle at the bottom of the container, allowing the liquid to be on the top. This is called sedimentation. Then they pour the water. The water is floating up, so they pour the water in another container. So now, what soil and water? Soil and water is separated, but still, the separating process means putting it to another container, and putting the soil into the another container means like these things. This is called as decantation, separating the two layers, one settle at the bottom and other on the top. Okay, then, but if you observe this picture, there is still slightly muddy. Okay, so what do we do next? Do you have any answers? Okay, I'll tell you. The next is called as filtration process. So filtration. Do you guys know filtration? What is filtration? Filtration is the process of separating the solid particles from the liquid mixture using a porous sorting material. Okay. Then next, a tea. Then the Avinash, the center boy, the student, he got an idea. He saw his mother separating the tea leaves and the tea from a stainer. So what do they thought is they took the stainer and put the warm water, but the water was still slightly muddy. Why? Because the holes of this stainer were a little bit big, so that the small sand particles can easily come into the water again. So what they thought, the next is cloth. Okay, Sandhya thought with a cloth, and even though they used the cloth, it was still slightly muddy because the cloth holes also were we can't see the cloth hole, but the sand, small particles can of course finish the cloth. So teacher saw them, and she gave a paper that was strange and different. The papers, maybe some of we know these papers. It was very round. So these papers are known as filter papers. Okay, these papers are known as filter papers. So they took a strainer and fixed the filter paper to the strainer. Then they pour the water. Now what happened? The filter water, water was clean and healthy. So this process is called as sedimentation, decantation, filtration. Okay, so maybe you guys understood this. This is my first classes, so like explaining will be a little bit difficult for me, but from next time I'll improve, guys. If you have means like my teaching is not good means you can tell in the comments, and the next time I'll improve. If you subscribe, like, and click the bell icons, you can know more. If you click the bell icons, whichever I update a new video, you can know that. And one more thing, don't forget to subscribe, and don't forget to like, because if you like or subscribe only, I can know that you all like my video and teaching. And next we'll from next session we'll do start all the subjects except Kannada and Hindi, because Kannada and Hindi I won't teach you. Maybe like other, you can search from other website and search, but Kannada and Hindi I can't teach you, sorry. Okay, from next time we'll learn other subjects, even though we'll to go through max also, I don't have any problem. Next time I'll come with the improve section. So please subscribe, share, and like. Okay, thank you very much. And please subscribe. Don't forget to subscribe, because if you subscribe, then what do I can do? I can give you a more good and good and good sections. Remember that I can give more good sections. So please subscribe, share, and like. Thank you. Bye bye. Meet you in the next section.